Okay, so you are knitting along and then you suddenly realize as you get to your knit 2 section, you have a knit stitch and then 3 purl stitches in a row. And you made a mistake last row. So to fix that, I'm going to first of all get to that mistake stitch. And then what I'm actually going to do is intentionally drop this stitch off the needle and put it back on as a knit stitch. Now, instead of just dropping it off and risking having my yarn kind of, or my project kind of unravel down this row here, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this stitch below it first, and then I'm gonna drop that off, and I'm gonna pull that through. Now, what I'm gonna need to do here is get that, get this yarn here behind that. Oops. All right, so now it's behind my stitch, and I'm just going to pull this off as though it is a knit stitch. Oh, I twisted it, but shoot. Hold on. That's why you check to make sure your knit stitches are going the correct direction. So then I have the correct leg in front now, and I'm going to pull that off and over, and now I have a knit stitch. All right, and now let's say I do the exact same thing, only it's with purls instead of knits. So I get to this purl section and I realize, oh no, I knit this purl stitch. So again, I wanna get up to that stitch. And again, I'm going to go into the stitch below and then drop that stitch off the needle. Now again, I need the yarn in front, so I'm gonna loop this here, I'm gonna pull this so it's in front. I'm gonna pull that up and I am going to drop that over. And I now have a purl stitch.